Hey guys, so today I'm going to show Mac users how to get rid of this really annoying pop-up Adobe gives, which as you know makes Photoshop shut down. For transparency sake, this is the version of Photoshop I am using right now. Step 1 is downloading Gas Mask. Go to the GitHub link in the description and download the zip file. Once downloaded, open the zip file, drag it to the application. When you open it, you will very likely get this message. If you do, go to System Settings, Privacy and Safety and scroll down until you see Open Anyway. You might have to enter your password and then click Open again. Gas Mask should now appear in your main menu. Click on it and go to Show Editor window. This window will pop up. Create a new file by clicking Create and then select Local. You want to name the file Adobe. Then delete the text and replace it with the text that I have linked in the description as paste bin link. Just copy and paste it from there. Click Save, Activate, and then if you want to, you can quit Gas Mask because it keeps working even when it's not open. And if you have any more questions, leave them in the comment section. Have a great day.